So, hi everyone. I just decided to make a little video, and yeah, it is kind of snowy. I am trying to show Ghais, my best friend. His channel is called FNAF Reacts. And yeah, things are not really looking good. Look at all this snow. But it's just like the start of March. Okay, kind of like the start of March. It should start turning spring soon. Oh, what I forgot to tell you about the Google Home Mini, you can tell what the temperature is going to be like, or if it's going to snow. And it said it was going to be snow showers. Wow. Yeah, it's kind of snowy. Nah, I've seen worse. We've all seen worse, actually. And if you don't live in Canada, then yeah, this is what snow looks like. Canada is like one of the the country that gets the most snow, like most recent. Like it has like a full season for it. I mean, everyone has a full season for winter, but still, like, it's cold in winter. So for the people who live in Arizona, who are probably watching this, yes, it's snow. This is snow for you. So probably never really touched it unless you went to Canada when it was winter. Then yeah.